folks, free tip Friday for you. Quick tip Tuesday. Doing press-in wheel bearings. And this often happens. The race of the bearing sticks on the hub. Now we have a little grippy tool that pops them off. Sometimes a pain in the neck to use. This one would work good because we have an edge to get a hold of, not the seal edge, but actually can grab the edge of the bearing. However, I'm going to show you a tip that I learned from watching the YouTube. I wish I could give credit where credit is due. However, I don't remember the video watch. It was a long time ago, and I'll see if I can find that because this is not my tip, but I'm just sticking a socket device. This one's, I don't know, 15/16, okay? And you want to find a socket that can support the hub so you can twirl it around, because we're going to use the torch, but then I stick a pilot in it, so this is just a 3/4 inch on a 1/2 inch drive extension, just upside down, and that helps us kind of pilot it so we can twirl it around. The idea is we're going to heat the bearing, right, so it'll heat up and boop, drop right out. So we'll engage our squint, pull these babies out, fire up the torch. Oh, baby! Whoa, need some oxygen. Start heating and twirling. I found this tip to be effective here the past few times I've used it. There it is. Ta-da! Like a glove. No cutting, no grinding, no hacking, no whacking. Off she comes. So there it is. Now my first time I tried this, I screwed up because I was just twirling it on a socket and it came down and hit the bottom and well, it was done. So you gotta have her up in the air so it's got a place to go. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching.